Introduced in February 2022, OPPO relaunched its newest smartphone named OPPO A76. This phone is the successor of the OPPO A75, which was first launched in the country. In this video, price updates, we'll discuss about specifications and the latest price for OPPO A76 in October 2022. On the screen, this phone comes with an IPS LCD HD Plus type screen, as well as 90Hz refresh rate, and 180Hz touch sampling rate. This phone has a screen size of 6.56 inches, with a resolution of 720 x 1612 pixels. In terms of cameras, OPPO relies on two cameras located on the back of the cell phone. The two cameras each have a configuration, 13 megapixels for the main camera with PDAF, and 2 megapixels for the bokeh camera. For recording problems, this smartphone is capable of record video up to 1080p quality at 30 fps. Switching to the front camera, this smartphone uses a front camera with a configuration of 8 megapixels for a wide camera. Meanwhile, for recording results, the front camera of this phone is capable of recording videos up to 1080p quality at 30 fps. For software, the OPPO A76 uses the Android 11 operating system and the ColorOS 11.1 interface. On the hardware side, this phone uses a very good chipset, namely the Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 684G 6nm chipset, which will be combined with an octa-core CPU. 4x2.4 GHz and 4x1.9 GHz, and combined with the Adreno 610 GPU. This phone will be combined with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage memory. OPPO also embeds 5 GB of RAM expansion on this phone. If it's still lacking, users can also expand storage memory up to 1 TB using a micro card slot SD. To support the performance of this phone, is embedded with a 5000 mAh battery and 33W Super VOOC fast charging. Other features that this phone brings include a fingerprint sensor that integrates with the power button or side-mounted fingerprint, Wi-Fi 802.118 per gram, NAC, Bluetooth 5.0, 3.5mm audio jack, 4G connectivity, and others. For the latest OPPO price in October 2022, quoted from the official website, for 6 GB of RAM per 128 GB, priced at $223.52. Thank you for watching this video until it runs out. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, and also press the bell button so you don't miss the latest video from this channel. Thank you.